Excuse the interruption, but we have just heard that something strange is happening at the sea. Our journalists, whom are at this moment talking to the eScience facility about this.
Why is it snowing and what is happening?
A couple of days ago we just saw the first snow and we weren't so sure at the time, but now it seems like the Gulf Stream has changed direction and is heading down towards Africa instead of coming up towards the Norwegian Sea.
What caused the Gulf Stream to change direction?
That would be a burst of cold meltwater heading down from Greenland, shutting down the Gulf Stream.
What are the expected results for this?
The expected results would be a devastating ice age all over Scandinavia.
Kom og se på dette her.
Hva er det?
Snakk om løsninger til istider.
We zijn vandaag bijeengekomen met de mensen uit Nederland, Luxemburg, Noorwegen en Slowakije. We zullen het gaan hebben over de wereldlijke problemen en over de oplossingen. So, let's start talking about the solutions of the Netherlands.
We all know that most part of the Netherlands is consumed by water, so we started the construction of the protector, which is a concrete wall that keeps water outside and makes green energy at the same time. It's being built 3.5 meter under today's sea level and converts wave energy to electrical energy, and it also has wind turbines on top of that benefit of the strong wind. The protector will be built from the coast of Belgium around the original coast of the Netherlands and linked back to the coast of Germany.
And what about Luxembourg?
In Luxembourg, there was a tricky situation because we had an economical crisis caused by new European law. Due to this law, almost all the banks left the country. We started hard work on education, and right now we're educating about 5,000 senior scientists specializing in microtechnology, means of communication, medicine, scientific research, and especially genetic research. Also, English has been turned into the national universally spoken language, and this was all in order to save Luxembourg's economy.
Slovakia is the big picture and our best friend. How can you afford everything?
Well, we all need help sometimes, and we are happy to give something to those who need it. Since we all have stable economy, this won't be much of a problem, but some ideas also benefit use, like in fact that protector will also protect use from any flooding once ice in Norway also melts down. And also we gain help from the Netherlands in other fields.
What about Norway? You guys are pulling off a major stunt. How will you manage this?
Well, the thing is that the simpler the concept, it also becomes more reliable. Since the Gulf Stream has retreated back to its original path, that's excellent. And it makes it warmer all right. But the ice would take hundreds of years until it would melt to the same level as it was before. So we decided to go with the idea of speeding up the process. So what we did was developing a black substance that we called niglac. That means black ice in Greek. It consists by almost 100% clean carbon, and that's pretty much what it does. It actually colors the ice black, so instead of reflecting the sun's rays away, it absorbs them and melts. As soon as the top sheet of the ice melts, niglac follows downwards, and we'll also use mountain organic ice melter to melt the ice faster in areas where cities used to be.
Seems like you're a bit early.
Yeah, well, we almost finished this up so we can bring this country back on its feet.
You know, the deadline's in 5 days.
Yeah, of course, so we're just testing and keeping an eye for any problems. There's no room for mistakes.
Good job, I won't be bothering you anymore.
You never did so.
We are currently measuring wind and weather conditions for the spread of Nigla. All systems and monitoring stations are fully functional and ready to go.
Good, I've been wanting to ask you about the Gulf Stream. How's she doing?
Same question every week.
We can't be too sure, you know what happened last time.
So does the world. After its return to its original path, it hasn't moved and nothing seems to be threatening it.
How are we doing otherwise?
Well, besides the fact that we haven't had a penny since we started the project and our technology is almost 2 decades behind.
Well, our mission is to find a solution for the Ice Age and bring people back to their country, not buying fancy computers.
Well, I can put it this way. We are online and spreading has started.